Hey tech lovers! Meet the DJI Mini 3 Pro, small in size, massive in power, stunning 4K footage, obstacle dodging skills, and a battery life that outlasts your excuses. But is it worth the price, or will the wind turn it into a flying disaster? Let's find out. Let's start with its design. Small but mighty, weighing under 250 Gs. This drone avoids FAA registration headaches while packing a serious punch. It's like carrying a pocket-sized cinematographer without the diva attitude. The image quality is stunning, crisp details, vibrant colors, and smooth motion. If Spielberg had a drone in his childhood, this might have been it. With front, rear, and downward sensors, it dodges obstacles better than you dodge responsibilities. Trees, walls, and unexpected pigeons? No problem. Vertical shooting mode? Perfect for TikTok and Instagram. Because who wants to crop their cinematic masterpiece into a weird vertical rectangle post-edit? Extended battery life, up to 34 minutes, or 47 minutes with the Plus battery. That's enough time to rethink your life choices while enjoying a beautiful sunset. With the extended range, you might fly so far that you momentarily forget where it is. Just don't panic, it's not plotting against you. Probably. Good! Let us now take the bad and hilarious ones, why you might scream at it. It's called Mini, but the price tag is anything but. You could almost buy a used car. But hey, can your old Honda fly? Despite its powerful motors, strong winds can still push it around like a leaf in a storm. Good luck keeping a stable shot if Mother Nature decides to throw a tantrum. No side sensors. It can avoid obstacles from the front and back, but not the sides. So, if you're flying near buildings or trees, hope you have good reflexes or deep pockets for repairs. Overall, an amazing drone with professional-grade features, but not without its quirks. If you want high-quality footage without a heavy rig, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is a fantastic choice. Just watch out for strong winds and angry birds. So if you have or know more about this drone, leave a comment and tell us what you think about it. And if not, click on the link below. You will be directed to the website where you can buy the product. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. Stay tuned for more laughs, leaks, and legit reviews.